Step 1. Remove both front wheels and fender liners. Step 2. Remove the passenger side manifold heat shield. Step 3. Jack the transmission up on the passenger side of the bell housing. Step 4. Remove the bolts connecting the engine mount to the engine block. Step 5. Remove the bolts connecting the engine mount to the frame. Step 6. Remove the engine mount by pulling it out from the front of the engine. Raise or lower the jack as needed. Step 7. Prepare one of the PPE engine mounts by tightening the through bolts to 40 pound-feet. Step 8. Insert the engine mount in place. Install 4 of the provided short bolts to the engine block. Step 9. Lower the engine mount onto the frame and install 3 of the provided 35mm long bolts. Step 10. Moving on to the driver's side, remove the manifold heat shield. Step 11. Remove the 3 frame side bolts from the factory engine mount. Step 12. Jack the transmission up on the driver's side of the bell housing. Step 13. Remove the 4 engine side bolts. Step 14. During our installation, the driver's side engine mount has to come out from the rear of the engine, and the front drive shaft has to be disconnected to remove the engine mount. Step 15. Install the upper half of the PPE engine mount with 4 of the provided 20mm long bolts. Step 16. Install the lower half of the mount to the upper half using 2 long bolts and 2 nuts. Step 17. Lower the jack and install the 3 provided 35mm frame side bolts. Make sure the 2 halves of the engine mount are securely connected. Reinstall the front drive shaft. Step 18. Reinstall the manifold heat shields. Step 19. Reinstall the fender liners and wheels. Installation complete.